Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we'll see the personality T A Ramalingam. He was born on 18th of May 1881 at Tirupur. His father was a cotton merchant and banker. He completed his matriculation and then joined Presidency College Madras and also obtained a law degree in 1904. He started his practice at Madras High Court and also served as a President of Bar Council of Madras High Court. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras province. He spoke on various issues in the assembly like he spoke on the issue of national language. He accepted Hindi as an official language but was not ready to accept Hindi as a national language. He spoke on the issues that cooperative movement is needed for the development. He also spoke on promoting cottage industry. So let's see what were his view on cottage industry. 23rd of November 1948, T A Ramalingam, quote, Mr. Vice President, Sir, there is no doubt about the general feeling in the country that cottage industries ought to be encouraged. The only point I want to make is that so far the cottage industries have not been able to make headway for two reasons. One is the competition with the imported and mill-made goods, and the other for want of organization to help the cottage industries. Raw materials have to be supplied, wages have to be paid, and above all, marketing has to be arranged. It is on the rock of marketing that most of the cottage industries have floundered. An organization for purpose of undertaking these things is necessary, and so far we have been able to find only two methods: either the introduction of master capitalists who will exploit labor or cooperative societies. So the only method that is available and that is open to us is the formation of the cooperative societies to undertake the supply of raw material and the marketing of the produce. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.